Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Excuse the roughness. Today is wash day. So yes, this is why I'm looking like this, but we're definitely gonna turn that into something a little bit different. It's actually a updated wash day routine. I've had a previous one that I did before, and it's a little old, it's a couple months old. So we're gonna actually update it and do some different things this time around. So if you want to check that one out first and then come back to this one, you can do that, or you can watch this one first and then go back to the old one. Either way, I have a link down below and up here somewhere. So if you're interested, let's jump right into the video. First thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing the Aztec clay mask on my hair first. My hair needs a little love. It is a little dry, but we're going to pre-poo and do the mask, and we're going to wash and condition and do all that good stuff later. So first thing what we're going to do is I'm going to actually moisturize my hair with some of the oils that I mix myself, which includes grapeseed oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and extra virgin olive oil, I think. Here's my mixture, and what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to be sectioning my hair. See, it's rough, you guys, but I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections maybe. And the reason for me doing the oil step process first is because my hair is dry and it will be getting stripped again, and I don't want to have it extra stripped due to the clay mask and the shampooing process. So we don't want that because that causes extra dryness and leads to breakage. So I'm going to do subsections. I'm just going to take a little chunk from here, pull that apart very, very carefully. As you can see, my hair is so very tangled. And we're going to start the detangling and moisture processing. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like now that I put some oils in it. Yes, it's still dry. I have not wet it or anything yet. So we are going to move on to making the clay mask. So I have the clay mask, which I have not used yet. So I'm super excited to be using this. And I have some apple cider vinegar. So we're gonna combine these and let's get to mixing this. So this is the consistency that I have. I may need more because my hair is pretty on the thicker side, but I'm gonna work with this first, and if I need more, I'll just make a little bit more. So first I'm just gonna wet my hair, damp it a little bit, not gonna wet it too much. this is what, don't mind all that on the top of my head, but this is what the clay is looking like. I did use everything, even scraped it. So I used all of that mixture, and I'm not going to keep touching my hair because I know that's bad, but this is what it's looking like so far. The curls are already popping, and I'm going to leave this in for about 15 minutes. Now I'll be back when it's time to wash this out. I put it in the shower cap so that I won't touch it because it does get hard, you guys. For those who do not know, yes, I have it all over me because I did not have a towel or anything wrapped around me when I did this. So like I said before earlier, I don't really care about that getting all over me because I'm just gonna hop in the shower right after this. You guys see what it looks like, and then we'll wash this out. So here you see that I'm washing out all of that clay mask, and I'll be shampooing my hair using the Dove Amplify line. Y'all, I was too excited about my curls. This clay has definitely brought my curls back to life, and I promise my shower isn't as hot as it looks. It's just really cool in my house at the time. I love my hair, so I wouldn't do anything to damage it. So moving on to shampooing, and let me tell you, I am in love with this shampoo. Although it's stripping my hair of its natural oils, it doesn't leave my hair feeling like it is. I like to start off by parting my hair into 4 sections, and I'll detangle, and then I'll begin to shampoo each section. As you can see here, I like to do it this way because it helps prevents the hair from getting tangled. So now that I have all of that rinsed out, I'm moving on to the conditioning. This conditioner provides so much slip. It's so amazing, you guys. If you have not tried this out yet, I highly recommend that. It smells good. It feels good. It's just all around good. I do apologize for the discoloration. I was losing sunlight, so I tried to brighten up my screen, and I just did it a little bit too much. But anywho, let's talk about this recovery mask. Let's just say a little bit goes a long way. This stuff feels so good. It feels like butter going through your hair, and this mask provides so much shine, and it also reduces breakage. I have applied my shower cap, and I also applied my oil mixture that you see in the beginning of this video to begin my deep conditioning process. I will be using my heated bonnet cap, and this cap gets really hot, you guys, so be careful on that heat setting. I'm going to let this sit on my head for about 15 to 30 minutes, and then I will apply my leave-in. Hey guys, so I am back. I lost a little bit of good lighting, so I hope you guys can see me pretty good. I rinsed out my deep conditioner, and I normally put my leave-in in the shower as well because it's a little cool in my house, and I really want that to penetrate through my hair, but I'm just going to do it out of the shower. But this is what my hair is looking like. There's no product in my hair, and this is after the clay mask, deep conditioning, and etc. And it looks pretty good, and it feels good too. But this is it, and I'm going to apply this shaping buttercream by Dove Amplified. I'm sorry if you can't see that. It's a glare. I don't know where it's coming from, but there you go. So this is my hair blown out. I did lose some footage, as I will mention later on in the video, but I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like fully blown out. This is what my hair is looking like after wash day. I did blow out my hair. I put some plaits in there and I took them out maybe 2 days later, and then I blew out my hair with a blow dryer on very low heat, and I took my braids out, and this is what I'm working with. So I think I like the stretch look a lot better than me doing my hair while it's damp, because I have more stretch to it and it's more volume. But if you want to see how I got to this point, leave me a comment down below. I did lose some of my footage. I thought I was recording and it stopped on me, I guess. And I use these 3 products here. This is the Amplified Twist and Moisture Shaping Buttercream. Has a glare, I'm sorry, it's really bright, but this is by Dove, and this is also by Dove. This is their leave-in conditioner, the Amplified line, and I did use a little bit of gel. So if you like this, comment down below and let me know. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.